What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the FMS new products. It's a 124 scale scrollers. Now it's the Chevy Key5 Blazer Pro. Now it's a FMS 18th anniversary products. Now let's unbox it. Now here is the menus. Wow, look at it. License plate stickers, some other tools, transmitters, just as before. Look at it. Now this is a Chevy's look at the stickers here. The 18th anniversaries Key5 Blazers stickers and the FMS FCX24 stickers here. Now this is a Chevy Key5 Blazers Pro. Wow, look at the suspensions here. There is shock oils in the suspensions, not just springs. Oh wow, look at the tires. There is the foams inside it. The portal axles, 2-speed transmitters here. By the way, I have the former FMS Key5. Now let's look at it. There is differences. They are both hard bodies, but the Key5 Pros, look at it. It's more than the real Chevy. Look at the Key5 suspensions, just plastic shocks and without shock oils in it. Now this is aluminum shocks with shock oils in it. Look at it. Now let's see the interiors differences. Wow. The ESCs are in the rears. Sorry, this is the receivers in the rears, and the ESCs are at the front. By the way, this is a brushless combos, and it's used the Outrunners motors here. You can see this Outrunners, so it can have the more linear startup and have less heat. Wow, Outrunners brushless, perfect. That's all about the differences. Let me show you the linear startups for the outrunners combos. Now let's see the difference between the two products. Now this is key files. Look at the transmitters, and this is a key file pros. It has a lot of trimming, and it has the channel 4. There is no channel 4 on the previous key files. Now let's see the slowest startup. This is a key file. This is the slowest. Now let's see the key file pro. So it's almost obvious slower than the former versions. Wow, so slow. And you even can't hear the voice. The voice is so small. Now let's see the high speed. Let's see high speed. Now this is the high speed. Now let's see the key 5 Pro. Wow, so powerful because it's a brushless combos. Wow, look at it. And in my opinion, you can see the differences as I even realized that the servos is faster than the former versions. Please see the differences. Left, right, left, right. Wow, look at this. Now, I will try the drag race between these two combos here. Now here is the brushed combos. The drag race is a little bit powerful than the brushless. Maybe it's the set. Now I turned the trims, the 3 and 4 to the uppers. It's the 100% drag race. Now let's compare. Now this is a brushed drag race. Wow, powerful. And I will try this. Powerful than before, but it's a little bit less smaller than the brushed combos drag race. Now here is the combos, the comparisons between these two Chevy key files. I think it's a perfect 1/24 quarters. It has the brushless combos, shock oils with shock oils, and foam tears. There's so perfect. I think even you in the 60 degrees angles, it won't slow down because the drag race is powerful to hold it. Now, that's all about it. Thanks for watching. Please make comments down below, thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.